Subscribe to the Helpful Techniques and press the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, my name is Piravrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, I'm again back with a new job opportunity. This time Omega Healthcare is hiring for the role of Junior Desktop Support Engineer and the location is for Bangalore, Karnataka only. And the experience required is freshers. That means no experience is required for this role. Then salary. You'll be getting 2 to 2.25 LPA according to your skills and performance basis. Then qualification. You must have completed BE, BTech, MCA, MSc or BSc with any specialization. That means mechanical, civil, electrical, EC, CSIT all are eligible for this role. And it's a great opportunity for non-IT people. Then batch. Any that means they have not specified any year of pass out or batch criteria here. That means all are eligible for this role irrespective of their year of pass out. That means 2018, 2019, 2020, 21 all are eligible for this role. So interview, it's an online interview process due to COVID-19 situation. So it has two phases. First one is technical and second one is HR. That means no written test is there for this role. Then position, it's a permanent position. That means no intensive or intern option is there for this role. Then bond, no bond is there. Then notice period, you need to join their company or this role on the immediate basis or less than 15 days. So they have strictly mentioned this criteria in their official website. So that's why I have highlighted this option in order to so that you will notice this option carefully before applying for this role. So then job description, as a support guy you will be providing technical support to the users. This will be your main role or the main job or the task. You must have thorough knowledge on Windows operating system, PC hardware and software and Windows networking. These are the basic things you must have completed or the covered in your during your BTech or BE or in your career. So then you preferred experience is Windows Server and VMware. So these are the basic things you need to know, and able to work independently with little supervision, ability to configure and deploy desktop environments. So you'll be deploying all the desktop environment or the desktop things like operating systems and the VMware, PC hardwares or the Windows networking systems. So these are the basic things. So if you don't know anything about Windows operating system or the Windows networking, so you can go through any blog or the post in the internet, search for these things in the YouTube. You'll get some basic ideas about all these things and apply for this role. So ability to troubleshoot some network problems, so or the printers, ability to install or the remove hardware. So all these are the basic things you must have done the installation or the uninstalling process in your career till now. So these are the basic things you need to tell. So remember one thing, whenever you are applying for a support role, then you need not to have a in-depth knowledge for that role or on the specified technology, because you will be working as a support guy and they will be providing some task and you will be having the solution for that as well. So you can follow the workflow and reply to the users and provide them the instructions or the advices. So that if you are interested for this role, then you can share your updated resume on this email address. So I'll be providing this email address in the description of this video so that you can check the other details and apply for this role as soon as possible. So I hope you get a clear cut idea about how to join for this role. So if you are seeking for a role or any other job, if you don't have any offer letter in your hand, then you can apply for this role, because you'll be working as a support engineer. So remember one thing, as a support engineer you need not to work 24/7, and that means or your working hour will be very much lesser as compared to the developer guy. So if you are preparing for a higher education or for some other job, then you can apply for this role and you can continue your study or job search. So I hope you get a clear cut idea. So if you liked this video, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.